We are Team Quadrati Saathi. We make sustainable solutions for a greener future.
Every day, millions of plastic is used and discarded, ending up in our oceans and wildlife, polluting the environment. Plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose, and despite recycling efforts, most of it end up in landfill. This throwing plastic pollution is one of the biggest environmental problems we are going to face.
Our solution is simple but impactful. The ECO-Jute bags. They are reusable, biodegradable and a stylish alternative to plastic bags. By replacing plastic with jute, we can reduce the plastic waste and adopt more sustainable consumer habits.
This is our first sale going on. These are our ECO-Jute bags. They are very sustainable. We are launching our new prototype soon.
Ma'am, did you like our product? Amazing product and amazing variety. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.